And before heading towards our fourth group, let's check out the selfish letters. In the Arabic alphabet, we have 6 selfish letters. They are Alif, Daal, Zhaal, Ra, Za, and Waaw. Why are these letters selfish? They are selfish because they only give out their right hand. They will happily let the letter before them hold their hand. But if a letter tries to hold their left hand, they cross it and say, "No way, stand back."
Let's meet the stubborn Arabic letters.
Can I join you? No way, I cannot connect.
We also call these letters the non-connectors or the chain breakers. Since they refuse to connect to the left, they leave a tiny gap in the middle of the word. And hence, the next letter has to start all over again from the leader position in its beginning shape. So, all the selfish letters have only 2 shapes. First, the isolated shape, when they are not connected with any letter. And second, the finisher position shape, when they are connected only with one letter to their right. Let's see these letters in some words by first taking Alif and Ba. Alif in the beginning, being a selfish letter, will take the isolated form instead of the leader shape because it won't connect to the next letter after it. Ba is at the end, having the finisher position, but Ba cannot connect to this Alif, so both the letters here will be isolated alone, but still together forming the word Ab. Ab means father. Now let's pick Zaal, Ba, Alif and Ba. Zaal being a selfish letter in the beginning, taking the isolated shape. The first Ba takes a leader position on the line because it couldn't hold Zaal's left hand. Next, we have Alif taking the finisher position shape. Because Alif is also a selfish letter, the final Ba at the end in its isolated form completely detached from the rest. This word is Zubab. Zubab means fly. For our next word, let's pick Sheen, Dhal and Alif. Sheen starts in the leader position with its 3 teeth and 3 dots. Dhal is at the end of this little chain, taking the finisher position shape, spreading its right hand out to connect with Sheen. Alif stands at the end, and because of Zhaal before it, it will be completely isolated. This word is Shaza. Shaza means fragrance. Now, let's pick Daal and Ba. Daal is in the beginning, taking the isolated shape, and because of this, the Ba cannot connect and must stand completely alone in its full boat shape, which is the isolated form. This word is Dub. Dub means beer. Now let's look at Ya and Dal. Ya in the beginning will take the leader position with its 2 dots underneath. Dal is at the end, taking the finisher position shape, stretching its right hand back to connect with the Ya. This word is Yad. Yad means hand. Now let's pick Ra and Za. Ra in the beginning, taking the isolated shape. Za is at the end and must stand completely alone in the isolated shape. So this word is Ruz. Ruz means rice. Now let's pick Seen, Ra, Ya and Ra. Seen is in the beginning, taking the leader position. The first Ra comes after it, taking the finisher position shape. But being selfish, it breaks the chain right after it, leaving a gap. So Ya starts a new chain in the middle, taking the leader position. This Ya connects directly to the final Ra. The last Ra is at the end, taking the finisher position, holding its right hand back to connect with the ya. So this word is sareer. Sareer means bed. Finally, let's pick noon, ha, and waaw. Noon is in the beginning, taking the leader position with its dot on top. Ha is in the middle, taking the bridge position, stretching both hands wide. Waaw is at the end, taking the finisher position shape and holding its right hand back to connect with the ha. This word is nahw, which means direction. Now, can you think of a word which has only the selfish letters in it and hence having all its letters in the isolated position just like the word ruz? It is ward, which has waaw in the beginning, ra in the middle and daal at the end. This word ward means rose. Do you know more such words? Let me know in the comments.
Our next group of friendly letters is the loop and stick family.